Not only can you inquire on database information, but also use formulas to calculate additional information or reformat how the data is displayed. To access the Calculated Columns function, use either the Toolbar button, the Edit menu, or the F8 shortcut key. Then click the New button to create a new column. Give the calculated column a unique title, which will be the column heading in the view. The large white space is a text pad where the formula is entered. You can type into this area, or use any copy and paste function to insert text. This is useful when creating multiple columns with similar formulas. Spaces and line breaks do not affect formula syntax, so use this for readability of formulas, especially if formulas have very complicated syntax. When you are finished, click the OK button to save your formula. The left side of this screen has quick links to insert fields and functions into the formula space with the correct syntax. When inserting a function, not only is the function name inserted at the cursor, but so are the parentheses and the required commas for including function parameters, if applicable. When you double-click on a field, either from the dictionary or from the selected fields list, the field name will be inserted at the cursor, surrounded by curly parentheses. You do not need to include an equal sign as part of your formula. When your formula is done, you can verify that the syntax is correct. If you are not sure how to use a formula, the help file gives examples for every function. If there are formulas you use on a regular basis, you can export them to a text file. Then, when working on a different view, you can use the import process to bring them in as new columns. When you are finished, click the OK button to add these columns to your inquiry. They will be inserted at the far right side, but you can move the column to where you require it. You can also change the column width, change the format as required, or even add a subtotal. Calculated column results can be used for filters or for other calculated columns. If you hover your mouse over the column title, you can see the formula syntax appear without having to edit. To quickly make changes, you can right-click on the column title and choose Edit. There are unlimited reasons for using calculated columns. Here are a few common examples. Show the difference between two numbers. Determine a sales margin percentage. Output just the last few characters of a text field, ignoring any leading or trailing spaces. Merge together two or more text fields. Display the numeric value only if the transaction date is within a predetermined range. Calculate the number of days between two dates. Read a database field value from a different table. When the information you want to use is not stored in the database, calculate a column to display everything you need. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.